Hit them with that shit they can feel.
That old real shit.
Wow, no, I'm saying that shit they get one. That's what these niggas never gonna get. That real shit. We ain't about nothing. Niggas ain't about nothing. Curtis Born, you ain't about nothing. You ain't about nothing.
Yo, start to finish, I'm hard to hit it. Taking trips out the Martha's Vineyard. Disappear, God forbid it. Turn my phone off, start swimming. Kennedy tried, the sharks bit him. Swallowed him half, the other half still left in the plane. He died fast with incredible pain. Shed rain when it's dry out, never die out. 50 years, sneak holes at the hideout like Britney Spears. Give me stares at the club and handshakes at VIP. Every nigga need the PYP. Play they part, time fly by. Shots going off on Columbine High. Little white kids taking walks on the crime side, never come back. Type of thing to turn America black. Are you ready for that? Or are you ready for the nuclear war? They push a button, shit's through when you cough.
Do this shit every day to my advantage. You know what I'm saying? Talking like I been in the mix of action. Hold a foot down, represent. Do this shit every day to my advantage. You know what I'm saying? Talking like I been in the mix of action. Hold a foot down, represent.
I heard cheapskates rockin' Nietzsche. See me, I'd rather go gas while you order shit out of East Bay. My feet stay in some hot shit. Months in advance, like the athletes. Shopping like it's no tax week. I bump ass cheek niggas, bitches that's cool. My hood rats turn to raccoons. Dispatch goons when it's called for. Friends patch wounds when it's all love. We share the same plate until the last spoon. Try talking with my mouth full. Doubtful niggas changing their views. They wondering if I'm coming out soon. I outdo rappers on their own track. How true. I never once pull a slouch move, none of the time. Next to me, you'll be numero dos. Hundreds of rounds, shooting them all every which way. My shit spray at the same time. My shit stay up the bar. What the fuck's up with y'all?
Do this shit every day to my advantage. You know what I'm saying? Talking like I been in the mix of action. Hold a foot down, represent. Do this shit every day to my advantage. You know what I'm saying? Talking like I been in the mix of action. Hold a foot down, represent.
Hey yo, odds and evens, it's hard to beat 'em. I'm like Louis DeVal when he bob and weaving. One shot, drop the champ, had the garden screaming. Counter your style when it's sparring season. Try to go hard, no holds barred. My crew guards, the rap regiments, black gremlins. Retired with some platinum plaques. We got benefits. Perform some of my hits on Letterman, down to Jenny Jones. Recognize the mini homes. If the Jordans ain't out, I got the pennies on. Laces out like the bookings, just the way that Run did it. I take this fucking rap game and run with it. Double XL. Tell me where y'all guns hit it. Bet y'all take one of these slugs that come with it. Life is hectic. Switch my wife every 90 seconds and make white boys buy my records. The Paul McCartneys. You'll never catch me with Cavalsi on 995 with crack in the car seat. High speed chase. Nowadays niggas high be lace. They walk around with that grimy face. Just a thug.
To my advantage. You know what I'm saying? Talking like I been in the mix of action. Hold a foot down, represent. Do this shit every day to my advantage. You know what I'm saying? Talking like I been in the mix of action. Hold a foot down, represent. Represent. Represent.